Okay, so nakababa na kami. Dito muna kami mag-gutter sa farmhouse. Okay. Para pahinga habang naantay yung iba. Then, andun yung barko. Barko nila. Kaya lang. Wala. Baba na tayo mamaya-maya. Okay. Mayroon pa tayong oras para makapag-internet. Hanap ng libreng wifi. Pipick upin na tayo ng ibang bus dito. Okay. Ganda. Ito yung Gerinja. Puro bundok talaga. Okay, sulit. Okay, so kala ko tapos na yung eksena. Meron pa pala. Punta tayo sa viewpoint nila, no? Isang mga 1 hour na lang. 20 minutes na lakad, hindi 20 minutes na pabalik. So after natin kumain ng waffles tsaka kape, then punta tayo. Okay. Okay. So hindi pa natatapos yung adventure natin. Meron pa tayong pupuntang farm. No? Ito na pala yan yung farm. Pupunta natin yung isang magandang angulo, no? Isang kitang-kita mo yung buong forge. Tatawag nila. This is nice. Oh, ano to? Nice one. This is a newborn baby llama.
Toma, venga, rápido.
Just
Okay.
not get too close to the baby. Then they would be mad with you.
Now, dami nila, oh. Okay. Ito mga tupa nila. Alright. Masok kami sa mga puno-puno after ng farm. You've been doing this for how many years?
This is actually the first summer.
First summer,
Yeah.
first summer of your job.
Yeah.
From Sweden.
Yes.
Yeah. We have a road Stockholm, Sweden.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go
Visiting, and he did a base jump out from here down to the village.
bungee jumping,
Base jump.
base jump.
Jump
Alright.
with just parachute.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's too risky.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you? Very good.
So this is the last destination natin na. Sakto, yun oh. Kita natin yung magandang view. Okay? Ito yung binabayaran nila dito, no? Nagkukrus sila para makita to. Babayad sila para makita to. And then we get it for free. So why not, di ba? That's ulitin. Okay? You been in the ship?
No, not yet. But it's enough to see them from here to understand they are really, really big ones.
So that's the speedboat over there.
Yeah, it's one of
I tried it last time. So nice.
Yeah, but the best, actually, you want to try it when it's really bad weather and it's a lot of the waves.
Yeah.
Then we're just jumping up and down. It's so fun to be out there. But it's actually the only thing that's fun in bad weather.
So
Hiking in bad weather, it's not so fun.
Yeah, it's
but-
not too fun.
But going on the reboats in bad weather, that's amazing. Or you need to wait until one of the ferries or one of the boats are leaving, because then we have these
Yeah.
really big waves that you can nearly surf on them, the boat. So it's really
Good for now. They built the pier like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Last month they don't have like that.
No, so you started to use it.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a lot easier than to use the boats all the time.
Ganda ng view dito sa taas, oh. Okay. So ito na yung city nila. Dito maganda. Tangkita. Ayun. Yun yung ginawa ko dati. Ang boat, speedboat. Masyado na siyang malayo kaya nagbablur na yung camera ko, eh. Okay. Alright. Mabalik na kami. Whew. Taas na pa sinag ng araw dito. Okay. Yan mga kasama ko. Grabe hingal ko, ah. Tagal na akong walang exercise. Pero maganda. Sulit yung pinuntahan namin dito. Taas ng bundok na to. Kitang kita mo yung magandang view sa baba. Okay. Thank you Lord. At nakatapak ako sa Norway. Okay. Time to go back.